I tried to make my own sourdough starter years ago and it didn't work for whatever reason. So I'm taking a shortcut and I bought sourdough starter from the TikTok shop. Eve to be specific, although Eve is the grandma. This is the grandbaby. We're gonna have to rename her. So I guess to get this party started, we need 3 tablespoons of water. I have Eve in my jar. It's gonna be her new little condo. 2. All right, that's 3 tablespoons of water for Eve. We're gonna let that sit for an hour, and then I think we're gonna feed her for the first time. It's been an hour, let's feed her. It seems like everyone who makes sourdough uses this type of flour. So I was able to find it at my grocery store. And now that this has been sitting for an hour, I'm just gonna add in 2 tablespoons of the flour. And by the way, it comes with the instructions. Yeah, honey. It comes with instructions and it walks you through how to get this up and running in 5 days because, listen, I tried the 3-week method making it myself. It just didn't happen, okay? I'm gonna mix this until the clumps come out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's day 2 and she is smelling sour. So we gotta go ahead and we need to add in 2 tablespoons of our flour and 1 tablespoon of water. Gonna put the cover on and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's day 3 and Princess Joanna is looking absolutely fire. She more than doubled, and I don't think, like on the instructions for this starter, I wouldn't be able to use this until like day 6 probably, but I think I'm actually going to veer off the side of instructions here. I think that I'm going to double the feed. So instead of 2 tablespoons of flour, I think I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup and then 2 tablespoons of water. That way she, you know, she's fed and I might be able to make like an 8-hour sourdough loaf today, so. 4. Checked my porch actually, and Princess Joanna's new condo was here, so I'm just gonna transfer it right into there. All right, I'll see you guys in probably 4 hours, I suspect. Okay, it is currently day 4. I actually made a loaf today. My sourdough starter, I could tell, was ready yesterday, so I made a loaf and it was a mini loaf. Yes, honey, my mom gave Kennedy 3 cupcakes. I don't want to talk about it. It's floating. This is perfect. So I'm going to make dough. I'm thinking I'm going to do a cheddar jalapeno loaf. This recipe is going to make 2 loaves. So tomorrow I'll bake cheddar jalapeno and a regular. So let's do that. We have a cheddar jalapeno loaf. I put this together last night. I baked it this morning. Let's cut it. I'm so excited. I want to cut it. I might go this way. Definitely can do better with like the placement of the cheddar and the jalapeno, but look at that! Oh my goodness, I did that. Okay. I will link the starter that I got down below in the TikTok shop because that's where I got it from. And yeah, if you guys end up getting it and starting your sourdough, let me know. This is insane.